The diagram shows two sectors where AB and CD are arcs of concentric circles, center O and radii 2x and 3x centimeters. The angle AOB is 0.75 radians and the area ABCD is 30 centimeters square. Calculate the value of x and the difference between the lengths of the arcs AB and CD. So the area that we've been given is of ABCD. So this is the area. So this part they are saying is 30 centimeters square. And also the angle is in radians. It's not in theta. I mean, it's not in degrees, sorry. So it's in radians. So we can write that theta, if theta was the angle in radians, so if it has theta is 0.75 radians. So then what I can write is, now the area of a sector, so area of a sector when angle theta is in radians would equal half times r squared times theta, where r is a radius. So in this case we're going to write 30. We're given 30. Now 30 is, if I use another color, but 30 would be the area of this sector, the entire sector. So ODC minus the area of OAB. So that would be 30. So that's what we have to write. The areas of sector ABCD. So we can write area of sector ABCD would equal half times 3x whole square, that's r squared, times theta in radians 0.75, and minus half times 2x whole square times 0.75, and that equals 30. So therefore we can write half times 0.75, keep it outside the bracket. Within bracket I can put 9x square from 3x whole square and minus 4x square, and that is 30. So I can write 0.75 times 5x square equals 60, and I can write then x squared equals 60 divided by 0.75 multiplied by 5, and that will be, I can write here, x squared is 60 and multiplying it by 100, both numerator and denominator. To get rid of the decimal, 5 times 75. Now I can write 5 times 12 is 60 and 0, 0, and then divide by 75. So I can do 25 times 3 is 75 and 25 times 120, 4 is 100, 448, and that equals 3 times 1, 16. So therefore, x squared is 16, and therefore x equals 4. It cannot be minus 4, so I am ruling it out. I just put plus 4. Negative value is not possible. So x is 4. So that answers our first part, that x is 4. And that's the A part. That's done. Now the second part, the difference between the lengths of the arcs AB and CD. So we have to find the lengths of these arcs. So using the radius. So when x is 4, then 2x would be 2 times 4, that's 8. And 3x would be 3 times 4, that is 12. So if I do now the B part, then the difference between the lengths of the arcs AB and CD. So the arc AB, so here again we have to use it's not area, so it's the perimeter or the circumference. So that in terms of angle, it's 2 pi r. When it is theta, when it is radian, sorry, it's just r theta. So circumference would be r times theta. So arc AB would be 8 times 0.75, and arc CD or DC, whatever. Uh, well, they've said CD, okay. So it would be 12 times 0.75. So difference between the arcs, between the lengths of the arcs is the length. So difference in length would be um, 12 times 0 points multiplied by 0.75 minus 8 multiplied by 0.75, and that equals 0.75 multiplied by 12 minus 8, 0.75 times 4, and that is 5 times 4, 20, 0 to 28 and to 30. So we get point. So that is 3 centimeters. So the difference between, that value of x you should write in centimeters. I think so. Or maybe not. Or maybe yes. So yes, probably centimeters is the right way to do it. And then, or you can just leave it at 4, maybe. Let's say x anyway. So the difference between the lengths of the arcs AB and CD is 3 centimeters, and that is right.